Allfather's bar. Thor slammed the hammer and dented the jar. Loki's running carts, cheating half the room. Freya's rolling eyes while the goats consume. Door busts open in a desert wind. Sandals stomping with a dozen friends. Peter says, brother, is this sea free? Odin squints down through one old eye. Depends who you be. Meat on the table, thunder in the hall. Vikings start chanting by the longhouse wall. Matthew whispers, this seems intense. Loki grins wide, you ain't seen nothing yet, my friend. It's a Valhalla tavern throwdown tonight. Beards and halos in a friendly fight. Mjolnir thumps while the mugs all fly. Angels and Vikings shouting, hey! Laughing loud under torchlight glow. Stories get taller with every throw. Nobody's mad when the dust all clears. Just gods and apostles buying each other beers. Thor says, friend, you walk on the sea. Jesus smiles, yeah, occasionally. Thor laughs loud, nearly breaks a chair. Try doing that with lightning in the air. Andrew's arm wrestling Balder at the bar. Loki bet 10 goats on the underdog star. Freya says, boys, quit wrecking my floor. Barrel tips over, now there's maid galore. Odin strokes beard like a scheming old king. John's writing notes about everything. Someone shouts round 23. Bartender sighs, who's paying for the mead? It's a Valhalla tavern throwdown tonight. Wings and helmets in lantern light. Thunder cracks and the tables slide, but everyone's laughing side by side. Raise a mug for the tales we spin. Wild old worlds and the mess we're in. When legends meet where the lone ships steer, they end the night with another beer. Juggling halos and Thor's lost a boot. Peter's explaining some fishing dispute. Odin declares with a booming cheer, best strange travelers we've had all year. It's a Valhalla tavern throwdown tonight. No hard feelings, just mythic might. Hammers and halos clink in the air. Tall tales fly everywhere. When dawn rolls in and the brawl is through, they toast old gods and something new. Legends laugh as the morning appears. Same time tomorrow, bring more beer.